In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell stocks on Charles Schwab. So the first thing you want to do, of course, on your Charles Schwab website is this is what it's going to look like once you're logged in. You want to click on Trade, which is the second tab up top, and then once you kind of hover over it, you'll see a bunch of options. What you want to click is Stocks and ETFs. Now click on this, and then you will have to find a stock you would want to sell. So over here, it will ask you for a symbol and for a strategy. Leave strategy as it is, but over here next to symbol, you can press this little arrow down button over here, and it will show you essentially all the stocks that you hold inside your account. Then you just want to click on the stock you would like to sell. So click on that stock, and then as you can see, over here, it will open up this menu as you see on the screen right now. Of course, you will have the symbol and the stock strategy of your liking. So the symbol is going to be, for example, Apple or Tesla or whatever you choose. And then what you want to do is you want to select the action over here where it says select action, click on it, and then select sell, which will select the sell action. Then down here over at quantity, as you can see, you want to put in the quantity of how many you would like to sell. So if you hold multiple positions of a stock, you'll be able to, for example, sell more of them, maybe just one or maybe less than one. You can decide that on your own, depending on how much you own and how much you would like to sell. Then what you want to do next is go under order type and then click on it and select market. What this will do is it will essentially sell the stock at the current price that it is priced on the market. So if the market is open at the time of your transaction, that means it will essentially sell at that very price, maybe a few cents higher or lower. However, if the market is closed, it will sell it immediately after the market opens up again, and then it will sell it at the price it gets at. So once you're done, and once you've set all this I just told you, what you want to do is press Review Order over here, and it will show you a page where you'll see everything you've just clicked. So if everything seems correct, and if that's what you want to do, so it will say your action, sell, and then your quantity, and then how much your estimated amount will be. What you want to do is simply, yet again, click Place Order, which is at the down right. You'll see this message, and it says Place Order. And then once you click this, you will see this message which says order received. Thank you, we have received your order, which means you have successfully sold your stock. And if the market is currently open at the time of you selling it, it means that you'll get your balance right away and it will sell the stock right away. However, as I said earlier, if the market is currently closed, it will sell it at the next time when the market opens right away. So that's pretty much it. That's how to easily sell a stock on Charles Schwab. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.